Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find and view your like history on Instagram. So if you want to see posts you've liked recently, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to locate those files or those posts. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Instagram and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the app, and then select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Underneath how you use Instagram, select where it says your activity. And then underneath interactions, there should be an item in here that says likes. Go ahead and select that and it'll show your like history. You can also sort newest to oldest, or if you want to filter it by a certain date period, you're welcome to do that, as well as the author and then different content, whether it's posts, reels, or threads. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.